There was literally 5 different drinks I could have chose, but I chose this one. Hey, I didn't like my meal. Could I get restaurant credit for this?
Oh, yeah, of course. 216, 217.
If you aren't doing this method, then what are you doing? It's free money. Baby oil.
Wow.
Oh my God. And all we gotta do is reseal this bag.
What a piece of shit. So today we're going to be learning how to be a criminal, taught by a man with a Wi-Fi connection and a bunch of audacity. This TikTok professor is showing everyone how to shoplift from Walmart using old receipts, how to finesse fast food places for free meals, basically just showing you how to commit petty theft with confidence. He even thinks it's funny to show us how to mess with people by tampering with food and then putting it back on the shelves for unsuspecting customers to waste their hard-earned money. And the wildest part of all of this is that he is not embarrassed. He's posting tutorials. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna scroll through his little masterclass, and I'll let you know exactly how this is not hustling, it's not beating the system, it's not life hacks, it's theft, plain and simple. And when you brag about it online, it's not a flex. It's evidence. So this TikTok user is JOWP Gambles. And this little heathen has 58,000 followers and 1.1 million likes on TikTok. The like button has been tapped 1.1 million times on his TikTok account. We're just gonna start diving through and see what he's teaching people.
There's an extra receipt. It was all wet, so it's kind of hard to see, but I think they got this bleach right here. Plus these dryer sheets. And finally,
this is his most infamous hack of getting free stuff with receipts that are thrown away in the trash. He doesn't always dig through the trash to get the receipts out. Sometimes he just walks up to people in the parking lot and takes them. Yeah, or finds them blowing on the ground or whatever. So let's see exactly what this hack is.
I think I just found the jackpot. Come on, please. No way. There's an extra receipt. It was all wet, so it's kind of hard to see, but I think they got this bleach right here. Plus these dryer sheets. And finally, we got these car fresheners, but I don't know what to do with these. I'm actually never gonna use this stuff, but it's free, so I have to take it. Just this thing. Perfect. Have a good one. No shot, he just ignored the highlighted part.
Oh God, this video is gonna piss me off.
Do any of these cards have a receipt? No way. This person bought a $200 controller. No way. All right, we're at the PS5 section and I see it. Crap, it's behind glass. I think it's the $200 one. Yeah, looks good to me. I can't believe this thing was $200, but now we just have to return it. Hello, can I return this?
Did you want it back as cash or return card?
Can I get cash?
Yeah, 210, 215, 216, 217.
If you aren't doing this method, then what are you doing? It's free money.
That right there is called return fraud. That is return fraud. Oh God, people go to prison for this.
Please, let me get lucky. Let me get lucky. No way. This is how you get free money. Hey, I didn't like my meal. Could I get restaurant credit for this?
Oh, yeah, of course. Grab a sleeve here if you haven't ordered.
Thank you so much.
Have a good night.
Hey, you too. Ah, it's good. Let's see what we got in here. Looks like a chicken sandwich.
So he posts this, and the description, he said that he got a $20 credit or a $20 gift card for a next meal, and they remade his meal for free at Chick-fil-A. So all he did was go into the trash, find a receipt, said that he didn't like his food. Not only did he get it remade for free, what was on the receipt he got remade for free, but he also got a $20 credit for a future purchase. So slimy. So slimy. And he's teaching people how to do this.
Yeah, this will do. Excuse me. Wow, he didn't even say anything.
What does he mean totally legal? Literally says, free stuff hack, totally legal. All he did was pick up items and walk out the front door. That's all he did. That's all he did. How is that legal? How is that legal?
This is how you get free gas. We already changed this pump, now we have to do this one. Now we put that pump all the way over here, and we wait for somebody to pull around and we take their gas. Oh, we got a victim. Oh my God, it's over now. Thanks for the free gas, bozo. This is how you get free gas.
Oh God, he's taking it beyond shoplifting. Still illegal, by the way.
This is how you can get free drinks using the method. Hi, can I just do a water cup? Now that I'm here, we just need to wait for more orders over there. There's so many drinks to choose from. There was literally 5 different drinks I could have chose, but I chose this one.
Yeah, just hang around Starbucks and just walk up and take a drink. Just steal. Yeah. It's not how to get free drinks. It's how to steal from people.
Could I get a receipt of the last thing somebody ordered?
All right, 10-piece meal.
Yeah, sure. Looks good to me, thank you. Quick before they see me. I just took somebody's meal and it worked.
What? Like, oh my God. All of this is stealing. It's just stealing.
Oh yeah, these headphones look nice.
141.36 will be there.
Perfect, thank you so much. Wow, these are so nice. All we have to do is replace these $6 headphones in here and it'll look brand new. Now it looks like I didn't even touch it. Oh, I'm looking to return these. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Have a good one. Oh my God, it actually worked. The $150 headphones that I got for free.
Return fraud. Return fraud. Same thing as shoplifting. This guy, he does this kind of stuff all the time, and he is posting the evidence all over his TikTok, encouraging other people to do it too. This is absolutely disgusting. Why is this kind of content allowed? He's clearly posting crimes, encouraging people to do them as well. Why is he still on this platform? Why is he still on this platform?
Excuse me, do you guys have a return policy?
Yes.
All right.
You can do an exchange or a return.
Thank you. Yeah, you too. Wow, this looks nice. We just gotta twist this off, and now we put this in the spray bottle. And the water goes in the cologne bottle. Put this away, and now you return it. Could I return this cologne? I think it went through.
But you're okay.
Wow, I can't believe that just worked.
Again with the return fraud. Shoplifting and return fraud. Those are his 2 hacks of choice.
No way. Jackpot. Boy, did I get lucky. They got some Pepsi, Ruffles, Cheerios, granola bar, and finally this one. And now we just walk out. Oh, here's my receipt.
Thank you. Have a good day. Take care.
Thank you. No shot, this just worked.
Yeah, it did just work. Because Walmart employees are not paid enough to look at minute details. They're not going to look at a timestamp. They're not going to look at a date. They're just going to trust that their customers aren't shoplifting because they're holding a receipt in their hand. But this is clearly shoplifting, and he is teaching people to commit crimes that will land them in jail. This is insane to me.
What could I get for you?
I'm just getting a water cup. Is that possible?
Yeah, you're all set.
Thank you. I just got a water cup. Am I all good to pull up?
Yep.
Thank you. I really hope this works.
Hi, from Malik.
Yep. Thank you.
You're all set.
This is the water cup right here?
Yes.
All right, thank you. Oh my God. Oh, Malik. Malik, you are the man. I don't know how Chick-fil-A never learns. I keep getting free meals. I'm just getting a water.
So proud of it. He's so proud of it.
Do you guys have any Celsiuses?
So this right here is evidence that he knows he's stealing. He knows he's stealing. He literally put the caption at the top of this video, "Why is stealing low-key allowed?" So he knows that he can walk in somewhere, take it, and walk out, and nobody's gonna do anything. He knows that it's stealing.
Top shelf.
Oh, perfect. This method always prevails.
So he can't say, oh, I didn't realize that it wasn't really a hack. I didn't realize that it's, my ability to get free food. I didn't know it was wrong. Clearly, the caption on this video shows that he knows that it's wrong. And let's just say, okay, so here, let's play devil's advocate for a minute, right? Let's play devil's advocate. Let's just say all of these videos that he posts are fake. Let's say he's already paid for the stuff ahead of time, right? Let's say that any receipt that he uses where he is getting free stuff, also known as shoplifting, Let's just say that that is his receipt. He's already bought everything. Or when he did the headphone gag, let's just say that he actually bought those headphones and then he did return the correct ones and he just made it look like he had done return fraud. Let's just say that he's doing all of this for the content and he's not actually shoplifting. That doesn't negate the fact that he is teaching people to do it who might not know that it's all fake. People watching these videos might think that these are actually hacks. And all he's doing is perpetuating a problem that's already bad. This is why shoplifting, fraud, this is why it's getting so out of control. Because it's running rampant. It keeps being made worse. That's why prices are going up. That's why honest people are being more restricted. Because of assholes like this perpetuating the problem. So for anybody in the comments who wants to say, it's all fake, he's probably buying stuff ahead of time, he's not really returning, those $6 headphones in place of the Beats. He's not really doing that. It's all for the camera. It doesn't negate the fact that he is teaching people how to do it that might not know that all of this is staged. And these people will probably go do it. This guy has 1.1 million likes on his videos. He has 58,000 followers. You can't tell me that all 58,000 of these people know that he's joking and would never try this. It's like he is creating an army of people to go out and steal, to take free food from businesses that might not be paying close enough attention, to take advantage of policies where if you didn't like the food, maybe you get a credit or you get it remade for free. He's telling people to take advantage of big corporations and shoplift stuff, which a lot of people might say, it's fine, f the corporations, Walmart. We'll just take from them. They can take some losses. You think that, but it always results in prices getting higher and higher for the rest of us. So nothing about what he's doing is remotely acceptable, even if he's faking it all. But I don't think he's faking it all. I really think that he's just this big of an asshole. And if you didn't think that all of this was bad enough, let me show you him teaching people how to prank unsuspecting shoppers by tampering with their food.
Let's open this up. And we won't need these. Someone's gonna be eating that. A lot of baby oil, the bottle. And I'll be nice, so I'll put a half-eaten one in there. To make this look real, we're gonna glue this shut too. Let's put it back. No one can tell it was even tampered with.
Put a condom in there, put some lube, a half-eaten bar, a bottle of water to give it some weight. See, that's the important part. You gotta make sure you put a bottle of water in there so the box has some weight, otherwise someone will pick it up until it's empty, right?
Yeah, this'll do. Oh yeah. Hope you like Doritos with a side of duh. Now for the baby oil.
Wow.
Oh my God. And all we gotta do is reseal this bag. Time to put it back. Someone's not gonna be happy.
Again, even if he's not really leaving it there, even if he does do that and then puts it back on the shelf just for the video, and then when the camera's turned off, he takes it off of the shelf, even if he's not really leaving it there for someone to unknowingly buy, he's teaching people how to do it. He's teaching people that it can be done. And not only that it can be done, but that it's funny. And I don't see anything funny about this. Groceries are expensive enough, so now you're going to encourage people to tamper with food, which is illegal, by the way. You're gonna tamper with food so that people waste money that they probably don't have to waste. This guy is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting.
Excuse me, miss? Excuse me? Can I have your receipt?
Sure.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, could I get a bag?
Oh, yeah. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
These shorts look really nice. Wow, this method needs to be patched.
What a piece of shit.
Excuse me, did you buy food today?
Yeah.
Perfect. I'm starving, thank you. No way this is gonna work. It says that he got these baked chips and these popcorners that are right next to each other. It actually couldn't be easier. He got these Kind granola bars. On this receipt, he got Diet Coke, but I don't like Diet Coke, so we're gonna get regular Coke instead and see if it works. Can you check this? Am I good? Thank you. Have a good one. No way. It's that easy.
I can't watch anymore. This guy is making my blood boil. So to be very clear, this is not beating the system. It's not sticking it to corporations. It's not a life hack. It's theft. And then when you package it up like entertainment and hand it to thousands of people like it's a tutorial, you're not just making bad decisions. You're encouraging other people to make worse ones. And then guess what happens when theft goes up? Prices go up, security gets tighter, and regular people are forced to deal with the fallout. But hey, at least he got some likes, right? If you're going to expose something, expose corruption, not how to scam a combo meal. Anyway, let me know what you think down in the comments below. I've obviously let you know my thoughts. I personally just think there is always good and bad when it comes to social media and the internet. This is clearly one of the bad. I don't understand how these videos are allowed to be on a platform. It's literally broadcasting criminal activity. And in case you couldn't tell, I reported him. If you guys like this kind of content, remember to hit the thumbs up button before you leave. While you're down there, also double check, make sure you are subscribed and ring that notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.